Hey, Robert Gunn here. I just want to shoot a quick video. I was thinking about when I was growing up. My father was in the military, and we would do a lot of traveling from I've been to Kentucky, Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, all over. And you know, a lot of kids don't really like. You lose out on your friends and everything when you move from place to place. But I really enjoyed traveling. And so, as an adult, I haven't really been out of the country. I've been out of the country once. I've been to Freeport, Bahamas, and it was all right. It was an all right trip, but I'd rather go somewhere. I should have went to Nassau instead of going to Freeport. But I came upon one of my business partners told me about a company where you can actually earn and save money traveling. So I just want to share this with with my YouTube people, with my YouTube channel, and if you're interested in traveling, or if you own a timeshare, this is actually cheaper than a timeshare. So you might want to check it out. Give me a call 561-206-7862, or you can leave me a comment on YouTube, or you can actually just hit me up on Facebook. I'll post my information about Facebook on the link below, so you can check that out also. I enjoy connecting with people, so just hit me up. I'll send you the information, and I'll actually post the information down below too. So just check that out, and let me know what you think. So that being said, this is your boy Robert Gunn saying I love you, even if I don't know if I never met you. You be blessed. Bye bye.